Hey, Will here from PPC Coach. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to set up your Etsy shop. It's kind of those About Us section and the story section and all that good stuff. So I logged into my store. You can see it. I don't care. I actually got a sale today. That's good. Nice start to the day. 1 for 4. That's 25%. I love that. Anyway, I'm going to go to my shop and show you the front. So right now, I've got this little header up here. Got my little icon. We sell cool stuff, but stuff like this, like the announcement, and then if you scroll all the way down, you can see at the bottom where we've got this part. You can enter images and stories and all that. It says read more. So it says, once upon a time, there's a quirky little shop called Zelacity. It's run by a group of elves who love nothing more than making personalized goodies for their customers, blah, blah, blah. So you can do this. Writing all this on your own is not easy sometimes. So it's actually easier to go to like here and just say, we'll use ChatGPT to do this. So I have a Plus account. Default model. Why is it 3? I want 4. Speed. Yeah, let's do that. Cap at 25 messages every 3 hours. Huh. Well, maybe that's why they're defaulting. I don't know. Anyway, so write an about us for my Etsy shop. The shop name is Zelacity, and we sell digital and physical products. Try that. See what it comes up with. So that's something like kind of boring. Welcome to Zelacity, where creativity and passion collide to bring you a unique and unforgettable shopping experience. Printable planners, invites. That is super slow. Holy cow. Not digging that at all, to be honest. Because it's not, see, it's taking physical products and saying it's from people around the world, but that's not the case. Okay, so what we're going to do, we got something to work with. Now we just do rewrite. Rewrite that to be funnier. The digital products include, what have I got? Cards, wait, printable cards. TV frame art, wall decor, printable wall decor. What else do I have on there? Go up here. Printable wall decor. Oh, SVGs. Okay, so let's go like that. PNG, JPEG files. Physical products include coffee mugs, necklaces, and t-shirts. There, try that. Well, that's pushing it, but is a quirky fusion of zany and artistry, delivering a one-of-a-kind Etsy shop that's sure to tickle your funny bone. Our side-splitting selection. Ugh. Digital Chuckle Factory. Oh my god. Larry assortment of printable cards, TV frame art, wall decor. Forget the mundane. We make organizing your life a roaring good time. Almost. It almost has it, but not quite. It's actually, it's not awful, but it's not the best. So at Celeste, we believe laughter is the best medicine and shopping should be a hoot. Our top-notch customer service will have you grinning from ear to ear and will guide you through the delightful process of finding the perfect, hilarious gem for your collection or as a gift. So grab your favorite beverage. We recommend coffee. That's kind of cheeseball, but whatever. So let's try this. Rewrite that to be more formal, just to see what options they come up with, if anything, or it freezes on me. Come on, buddy. There you go. Yeah, I can already tell I don't like that. Provide a distinguished selection of digital and physical. Nah, stop that. Let's just go with this. So you can use this and you can refine it. You could even say, like my old one, just over here. It said, once upon a time, there's a quirky little shop called Celeste. It's run by a group of mischievous elves who love nothing more than making personalized goodies for their customers. One day, a customer ordered a personalized mug that said Bob on it. The elves, being the pranksters they are, decided to have a little fun with Bob's order. They made the mug as requested, but also a secret message at the bottom. Yeah, that doesn't really make sense. I don't know why I put that on there. But let's go to Shop Manager, then we'll edit this. So you click on the edit button, scroll all the way down, and then right here, we can go read more. And we can click on edit, and then we can go Control A, delete, Control V, save. And then up here, Celeste, then we'll say or what we do. And then your images, I've got some in there, but they're not the right size. Like it's got to be 760 by 468. So I kind of screwed that up. But we're talking about this. Add links, so your social, and then down here, well, I'm gonna click. Did I click save? Yeah. Your FAQ too, you can run that through there. So how long does it take to receive my order? Depends on how fast our team of elves can whip it up. Don't worry, won't make you wait too long. If you need it ASAP, let us know. Do our best to make it happen. Can I return a personalized gift if I don't like it? Tricky one, since our elves work their magic to make each item unique, we can't accept returns on personalized items, but we promise to work to make sure you're happy with your purchase. What if I want a custom design that's a little weird? Weird is our specialty. We once created a personalized necklace with a tiny rubber chicken charm, so trust us, we can handle anything. Do I have to leave a 5-star review? Okay, so here, I want to redo this one. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to say, write an answer to this question for my Etsy shop. That's better. Send us a message. That's even better too. So it says, yeah, we'll do it. And it's saying to initiate a custom design request, send us a message through Etsy's messaging system, providing as much detail as possible as about your desired design, including colors, themes, and any specific elements. Once we received it, we'll review the information, reach out to you with additional questions or clarifications. Upon finalizing the design concept, we'll provide you with a quote and estimated turnaround time for your one-of-a-kind item. That's actually way better. So I'm going to take that, and that would have taken me forever to write. So I'm going to edit this one. And I'm just going to go, boop, save. That's much better. Even this, can I return a personalized? So how long does it take? Can I return? Do I have to leave a 5-star review? So that I did write through ChatGPT, which says, well, technically no. But if you don't leave a 5-star review, our team of elves may be forced to sneak into your house tonight and replace all your socks with the ones that don't match. So it's really up to you if you want to take that risk. Just kidding, maybe. In all seriousness, we want you to be completely happy with your purchase and hope you'll Love it enough to leave us a glowing review, but if there's anything we can do to improve your experience, please let us know and we'll make it right. There you go. All right, so that you can do the FAQs. And if you're like, well, what do I do for FAQs? I don't know what to put in there. Go to big shops on Etsy and find them. So if you go here, go to Etsy and just type in, I don't know, what's a big shop? Let's see, SVG, standard vector graphics, then we'll find a big shop here. Anything popular now is going to be a big shop. So let's just click this one. And 49 sales, bad pick. I can use my little analytics here. I'll find a big one this way. So if you don't have Everbee, you can get it, ppc-coach.com/Everbee. We'll just find a big one. There it is. So She Shed Craft Store is huge. I've actually bought stuff from them too. They got a lot of awesome stuff. Irish today, hungover tomorrow. They got lots of these good ones. I love these. These are just the SVGs. They're not even the shirts, or the shirts themselves. Probably late for something. Sorry, did I roll my eyes out loud? Nice. But if we scroll down to their FAQ, which will be at the bottom here, see there's their part that we just did. And they have the right size, so you should put the right size in there. And then She Shed Craft Store Story. Let me help you make that. Graphic designer, so super short and sweet. Shirley's her name. She makes good stuff too. I do recommend this place. How do I know if my files work with my cutting machine? How do I use the files with my Silhouette Studio? How do I use the files with CryCut Design Space? Do files come pre-grouped? What can I do with these files? So that's another good one. So we could do something like that and say, write an answer to this question for my Etsy shop. What can I do with these files? And then it'll write out a nice thing. Can be used for an array of creative purposes. Here's some popular ways our customers use these. Printable art. Our digital files can be easily printed at home or at a professional print shop. You can frame and display the printed artwork as well as unique wall decor, or give it as a thoughtful gift. Custom invitations and cards, yep. Vinyl cutting and crafting, you can use those too. SVG just stands for standard vector graphic, so you can use those. So this is actually really good. It's just saying, hey, here's the files, here's some possible things you can do with them, and it's really going into detail, which is awesome. And if I had to write this myself, I would be sitting here going, ho-hum, I don't know, what's going on, I don't know. Like, yeah, this is perfect. I love this. So I'm going to add this to my FAQ. What can I do with these files? 100%. So let's go like this. And it just makes your store look really good. So let's go back here. Let's go add another one. And we'll say, what can I do? So, click the drop down, go custom, and then you type it in. What can I do with these files? And then the answer, just paste in the whole thing, and that's it. That's how fast it goes. So actually that took out the thing, so let's just go like this. Oh, I'm at 750, that's why. Only allowed 750. Okay. So we're gonna have to edit this to remove. Oh, it only took it to there. Okay. So what I might do is this. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to edit this. So two things I can do. I can go here and I can say, rewrite the above with 750 characters maximum. You can try this. Sometimes it won't do it. Sometimes it will. So it did cut it down, but we'll see if it cut it down enough. I think it's going over 750 here. Oh, regenerate. Try that again. It was doing so well too. That's even better. Shorter and sweeter. See if this is under 750. But that's the beauty of using artificial intelligence, is it's doing all the work for me, and I'm just sitting here talking to you while it's doing this. Okay, so that looks like it would be under 750, and it still looks real good. So let's go here. Yeah, it actually fit it. It's good. Fit it exactly to 750. So I'm just going to format this a bit. There. Save. Perfect. So you can see, you can beef this up, beef up your section. Just look at other shops and what they have. And then you can use ChatGPT to come up with your answers. And the other thing is the announcement at the top. So I did it for the bio as well. And I said, write me a bio for this. And then I said up here under the announcements, where'd the announcement go? Right here, announcement. So I said, welcome here. So I'm going to edit this. It says your one-stop shop for personalized gifts and digital downloads. Touch playfulness. That's actually not bad. No, I actually like that. I used this to write that as well. And it was too long. I think you're allowed 250 characters, so I just did that. And you can even do shop updates. So in here, easily share shoppable photo updates with your fans on Etsy and social media using the Sell on Etsy app. Oh, they're talking about the app. But for announcements too, see how it says last updated here? If that said like 2020, then people will look at this and they'll think you don't even look at your shop anymore. So you got to make sure you update that. And now with like the time of year we're at, probably Mother's Day is the next big one. So I could go to ChatGPT and say, write me a nice description or announcement, shop announcement for how we're preparing for Mother's Day. And then I could have a bunch of products on there for Mother's Day, which I already have a few, but I'm adding more and more. So that's how you do it. That's how it goes. Let's see if I got any more sales on this one. No, nothing yet. But that's a digital file, so that's cool too. So the shop is fairly new, but it's growing. And this is my public one where everybody's going to go and copy everything anyway. So that's not to say I don't have other ones. Anyway, that's how you use ChatGPT with Etsy to complete all your sections. And it's just right over here, the edit thing. And you scroll all the way down and start working on your headline, your story, and your FAQs, and everything else in between. So you can even use it for your policies as well, which is very cool. All right, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And let me know if there's anything else you want to see on kind of tinkering with your Etsy shop as well. Have a great day. We'll see you soon.